Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Tor browser. If you live in a country where some websites are restricted, like right now if you are in Russia, you can use this browser and then to check any website that are blocked. Or if you want to hide your IP address, if you don't want someone to track your IP address, you can use this browser called Tor. So as you can see, I'm on the website right now, torproject.org, and then you come to download. From download, you got Windows, you got Mac iOS, you got Linux, and you got for Android. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to download for Windows. Okay, from here, I'm gonna click download for Windows. I'm gonna say start download. It's gonna give you a browser like Google Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer. So you're gonna use that browser to navigate over the internet. Okay, so we are going to wait until it's finished downloading, and then we're gonna install it, and then I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, it's done downloading. We are going to install it. I'm going to install it. You choose your language from here, English or whatever. I'm gonna say English. Click OK. Click install. It's done installing. Okay, so it's gonna add a start on your desktop, shortcut on your desktop. I'm gonna say run. Click finish. So this is the Tor browser here, as you can see. This is on your desktop. And from here, you have to click connect, and then you choose here always connect automatically, so you don't have to do every time connect. Okay, click connect. Okay, now we are connected. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we are going to go on Google. Maybe let's try Google and see. Okay, as you can see here right now, it's showing that I'm in Germany. Okay, but that's not true. I can choose any country I want. Let's say I'm on the United Kingdom, or I'm United in the United States. Okay, they want me to sign in. I just want to say I agree. Okay, so right now, as you can see, Google is showing that I'm in Germany, but I'm not in Germany. Let's go to Google News. As you can see here, on Google News, it's showing me international news, not, let's say, local news. Your local news, you see, it's nothing. You can see here. So right now it's showing that I'm in the US. Okay, now we are going to open again Tor browser, as you can see it here on the desktop. It's connecting, as you can see here. Automatically it's connected. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Ciao.